Question number 7. A line is making 30 degrees the positive direction of y-axis. Measured anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is always positive angle. So this is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree and find the slope of the line. So what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line is the tan of the angle that the line makes with x-axis in the positive direction tan theta. The slope of this line m, slope of this line m slope of this line m is equal to tan theta. Okay, tan of the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle we have to find out. Okay, you know that these two are vertically opposite angles. So this will be a 30 degree, correct? And this is always 90 degree. So 90 plus 30 will become 120. So what will be the value of this angle? This angle will be equal to 90 plus 30, 120. 120, 180 minus 180 minus 120, 60 degree, correct? So theta, therefore theta will be equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So 120 degree. So you have to find m is equal to tan 120 degree. How will you find 120 degree? Again, you can split 120 degree into 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 60 degree. So 180 minus theta means second quadrant. You are in which quadrant? Second quadrant. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. So in second quadrant only sign is positive, tan is negative. So this will be minus tan of tan 60 degree. And value of tan 60 degree is minus root 3. So answer is minus root 3 is the slope of this line. Number 8. Find the value of x for which the points, these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line. So when suppose these are the 3 points A, B, C, suppose this is A and this is B and this is C, and they are collinear. That means they lie on the same line. This is a line. Suppose here you have all the 3 points A, B, C, A, B, C. Then they are called collinear points. So in order to show the collinearity, we will find the slope of AB and BC. They are equal. The slope of AB and BC will be equal. For collinearity, what we will do, slope of AB. If you have to prove also, you can take the slope of AB, BC, any 2 points, and if the slopes are same, then they are collinear. The slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. The slope, the formula of slope here, there are 2 points, so y2 minus y1. Slope formula you have to use here, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So AB means x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 1 minus minus plus 1. Y2 minus 1, 1. X2 minus x1, 2 minus x is equal to slope of BC. So 5 minus 1, 4 minus 2. So 2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 4 by 2, 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4. and this 2 can be divided from this 2, or you can multiply and then solve same thing. So this will be 1 upon 2 minus x. If you cut this 2 with this 2, another 2, this 2 cancel with this 2, so 1 is left. So 2 to the 4, so 4 minus 4x is equal to 1. So 4x is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. So x is equal to 3 by 4. Question number 9. Without using the distance formula, show that the points are the vertices of a parallelogram. We have to show these are the vertices of a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to show that these are the vertices of a parallelogram. So without using the distance formula, we will find the midpoint of AC. Okay, because we are not using the distance formula. So midpoint of AC. Then we will find the midpoint of DB. If their midpoints are same, then they are dividing to each other. If the diagonal bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. So find the midpoint of AC. You know that how to find the midpoint. X1 plus x2, 3 minus 2 divided by 2. What is the formula for midpoint? In 10th class, we studied x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the midpoint. So the second AC we are finding. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, 1. So 1 by 2 and 1 is the midpoint of AC. Then find the midpoint of BD. Okay, the midpoint of BD is 4 minus 2 by 2 and 0 4 plus 1, so 4 minus 3 by 2 BD. 4 minus 2, 0 minus sorry, this is minus 3. So the this is D is 2 and minus 3. I thought this one. So now, okay, so B and D 4 and minus 3. So 4 minus 3 by 2, and the B y coordinate is 2 and 0. So 2 plus 0 by 2. 4 minus 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. So midpoint. Therefore the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD, which shows that AC bisects BD. That means the diagonals and vice versa. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Root. Question number 10. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the line AB. Suppose AB is a line on which 2 points P and Q are given, and this is making an angle of theta with x-axis. So find the angle which the line makes with the x-axis. This angle we have to find out. And you know that m is equal to tan theta, and we can also find the slope by using both the formulas. M is equal to tan theta is the slope of this line when theta is known, and also m can be calculated here by using y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So both can be equated to get the value of theta. So y2 minus y1. So minus 2 minus minus plus 1, x2 minus x1 4 minus 3. So this is minus 1 by 2. We are getting minus 1 by 2. 4 minus y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 4 minus 1 1. So minus 1. So tan theta, that means m is also minus 1. So you can equate with this one. So tan theta is equal to minus 1. So find theta. So tan theta is equal to minus 1 means minus tan 45 degree. You know that 45 degree is minus 1. So tan minus theta. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. So this can be written as, because this minus we have to remove, then theta can be found. So therefore we can find 180 minus 45 degree. 180 minus theta, second quadrant, minus tan theta. Okay. Are you getting? So tan theta will be equal to 180 minus 45 is equal to tan 135 degree. You can also remember tan theta minus 1 is always at theta 135 degree. So tan 35 degree, that means theta is equal to 135 degree. So the line making an angle of 135 degree with the x-axis. The question number, the slope of a line is double the slope of another line. Okay. So slope of the line is the double of the slope of another line. Means if the slope of first line is m, then another line will have the slope 2m. Correct? And if the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have the formula of the angle between the two lines. So tan theta is equal to, we can use this formula, m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula to find the angle between two lines. This slope, let us suppose this slope is m1 and slope of second line is m2, and tan theta is also given. So substitute all these values. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 and m1 is equal to m, and m1 or m2 you can take, no problem. m2 minus m1, actually we should take m2 minus m1. So m2 is 2m minus m upon 1 plus 2m into m. Same thing, because it is absolute value. You can take m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1. So 2m minus m, this is m upon 1 plus 2m square. So absolute value, you can solve this equation. So 1 plus 2m square will be equal to 3m. So you get the equation 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Then split into two parts, -2 and -1. So this will become 2m square minus 2m minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Common is common is 2m, m minus 1 is left, and now take out common -1, so m minus 1 is equal to 0. So you get the factors m minus 1 or 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1 by 2. This will give you m is equal to 1 and or m is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the slope of the line. Either 1 or 1 by 2 will be the slope of this line. Question number 12. A line passing through the point x1, y1 and hk. From these 2 points the line is passing. If the slope of the line is m, m is the slope of this line, then show that we have to prove that k minus y1 is equal to m h minus x1. This is a line and it is passing through 2 points. Suppose this is A, its coordinates are x1, y1, and B, its coordinates are h, k, and the slope is m. So you know that how to find the slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So m is equal to y2 is what, k minus y1, and x2 minus x1, that is h minus x1. So multiply this here, you get k minus y1 is equal to m h minus x1. Proved. Question number 13. 3 points H, 0, AB and 0K lie on a same line, means they are collinear. Okay, these are collinear points. Lie on a same line means they are collinear. And show that you have to prove that A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. So collinearity, I told you that we can equate the slope of AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So suppose this is A, this is our B point, this is C point. So we can say that slope of AB will be equal to the slope of BC is equal to slope of CA. So slope of AB will be equal to B minus 0 upon A minus H, and slope of this will be k, BC will be k minus B upon 0 minus A. Slope of CA will be 0 minus k upon H minus 0. Okay, and solve this equation. So B upon A minus H is equal to k minus B upon minus A is equal to minus k upon H. So now we can equate the two sides, or call this, we can take any two sides. Take two sides, any two sides. So first and second. If we take first and second side, means, so we will get minus AB is equal to A minus H into K minus B. Equating this side first and second. So minus AB is equal to AK minus AB minus HK plus HB. This minus AB will cancel. Now we can write HK is equal to AK plus HB. We have to bring A by H. So that means divide both the sides by K. Dividing by K, K will cancel. H, here A plus B H upon K. Now you have to divide by H also, so that you can have 1 here. So HK, if you can divide by directly HK, if you will divide by HK, HK here, HK here, HK here. Instead of doing it 2 times, divide HK, HK, HK. So after that, we will get the answer. HK, HK will cancel. We get 1. Here KK cancel, A by H. And here HH cancel, B by K. So we got the proof. A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. This is proved.